Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
Good morning,
wabarakatuh.
Miss.
Good
Good
morning,
morning, Miss.
Miss.
How are you today?
We are
Yeah,
fine,
We're
thank
fine,
you.
thank you.
how
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 about
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 you,
you,
Miss?
Miss?
Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great. Thank you. I'm so happy we can learn together again today through Zoom meeting. Before we start, let's pray together first. Let's begin. All right. Thank you, everyone. Before we continue, let me check. Can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes, clearly, Miss.
Okay. And can you see the slide I'm sharing?
Yes, Miss.
that's it, Miss?
Okay, great. During the lesson, please keep your microphone mute. I will call on some of you to answer directly using raised hand. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Miss.
Okay, perfect. Today, we are starting a brand new mission called Level Up Your Intro. Are you ready to level up your English?
Ready, Miss?
Yes,
Ready,
ready,
Miss.
Miss.
Okay, let's look at our learning objective for today. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to first understand information in a self-introduction text. Second, analyze the use of simple present tense. And third, introduce yourself confidently with clear pronunciation. Does that sound clear?
Yes, clear,
Yes,
Miss.
Miss.
Yes, clear, Miss.
Okay, okay. Let's begin our first mission. Here, your first challenge. Level 1. Rename quest. Please change your Zoom display name to your name plus one emoji that represent your hobby. For example, Sinta hobinya adalah bermain gitar. Jadi dia naruh Sinta dan gitar. Kalau misalnya kalian hobinya bermain bola atau bermain volley atau menonton video atau film, kalian bisa misalnya bintang pakai ada bola volinya gitu atau apa gitu ya. Kalian punya waktu 20 detik dimulai dari sekarang. Sekarang coba deh Miss mau tanya eh siapa ya? Mutia deh, Mutia. Why did you choose that emoji?
Because I like singing means I just a music note.
Oh, oke, thank you. Satu lagi deh boleh. Jawabnya pakai bahasa Indonesia aja ya. Anissa, coba kenapa kamu pilih itu?
Karena saya hobi jajan, Miss. Jadi saya suka
Hmm,
makan makanan, semua makanan, Miss.
oh, oke, oke, oke. Oke, bagus ya semuanya. Jadi, misi kita yang pertama adalah mengganti nama kita menggunakan nama dan emoji. Oke, kita akan ke slide berikutnya. Sebentar ya. Oke. Before we continue our mission, let's understand our topic today. Does anyone know what a self-introduction text is?
It's a
Siapa yang
text
tahu?
to introduce. Saya, Miss. It's a
Okay,
text to introduce ourselves, Miss.
okay, correct. A self-introduction text is a spoken or written text we use to introduce ourselves. What is a social function? Where do we usually use it? Siapa yang tahu?
On the first day of school, Miss. Or when we meet new friend.
Okay, Anissa, it helps other people know our identity, background, and interests. Let's continue. Now, a self-introduction has 4 parts. Can anyone guess the first one?
Our name and age, Miss.
Exactly, Diva. That's identity. The second part is background. Background itu adalah our hometown and family. The third is interest and personality. Interest and personality itu di dalamnya mencakup our hobbies and favorite subject. And then the last one is dreams and closing. Di dalamnya itu mencakup our future goals. Nah, keep this structure in mind ya, because you will find it in our reading text. Okay, okay. Uh, Time for level 2. Freeze, frame, refill. Watch my pose first. Can you guess my hobby? Kalian bisa tebak hobi
Reading.
Miss apa?
Reading, Miss.
Correct. Now it's your turn. When I count 3, 2, 1, freeze, strike a pose that show your hobby and hold it for 3 seconds. Coba nih, siapa yang mau duluan posenya? Gak usah yang aneh-aneh ya, yang gampang-gampang aja. Kira-kira siapa yang mau?
Gimana, Miss?
Misalnya nih, kamu hobinya menulis atau hobinya kamu memasak. Nah, kamu bisa atau misalnya hobi kamu makan, berarti misalnya pose kamu kayak gini gitu. Coba, siapa nih yang mau? Satu orang aja, satu orang aja.
Saya, Miss.
Oke, boleh Anissa. Oke. Oh, teman-teman bisa bisa tebak gak hobinya Anissa itu apa berarti?
Swimming, Miss. Swimming, Miss.
Swimming, yes. Correct banget ya teman-teman semuanya. Berarti kita bisa menebak hobi seseorang melalui pose. Oke, level 2 complete. Kita lanjut ke slide berikutnya. Now, let's move to our reading text. Please look at the text title, Hello Everyone, by Rina Putri. You have 1 minute to read silently. Jadi kita bacanya dalam hati aja ya. Kita baca dulu, nanti kita baru sama-sama cek understanding kalian ya. Boleh dibaca dulu ya teman-teman. Aku Miss kasih waktu 1 menit dari sekarang. Okay, time's up. Now, let's check your understanding with a quick true or false. Jadi di sini Miss mau tanya, nggak usah pakai polling, tapi true or false langsung aja ya, speaking gitu ya. Yang pertama nih, apakah benar Rina itu tinggalnya itu di Bogor? Benar atau salah?
Benar, Miss.
Benar, Miss.
Benar, Miss.
Benar, oke. Yang kedua nih, favorit pelajaran favorit Rina adalah matematika. Benar atau salah?
Salah,
Salah,
Miss.
Salah, Miss. Salah,
Yang
Miss.
benar adalah yang benar adalah apa?
English and
English
biology,
and
Miss.
English and biology.
Oke. Terus em bentar. Oke, oke, oke. Udah pertanyaannya 2 aja ternyata teman-teman. Oke, let's go to the next slide ya. Now, does anyone know this singer? Siapa yang tahu penyanyi ini?
Saya, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Siapa? Iya, siapa?
Tulus, Miss.
Oke, correct banget Bintang. Let's read a short about him. Getting to know Tulus. Please read it quickly. Coba Bintang boleh baca teksnya.
Okay, Miss. Getting to know Tulus, Indonesian singer and songwriter. Tulus is a popular Indonesian singer and songwriter. His full name is Muhammad Tulus Rushdie, and he was born in Bukit Tinggi, West Sumatra on August 20, 1987. He is the youngest of three children in his family. Toulouse loved music very much. He grows up listening to his mother's songs every night, and this experience makes him fall in love with singing. Although he studies architecture at Parahyangan Catholic University in Bandung, his passion for music never fades. In 20 in 2011, Toulouse starts his music career and builds his own independent record label called Toulouse Company, together with his brother. He writes most of his songs by himself. One of his well-known songs is Interaksi, and his new singles, Teh Hijau, is released in June 2026. After 4 years without a new single, Toulouse is not only a singer, he also cares about social and environmental issues, and he supports campaigns that protect elephants and help teachers get better training. Many young people see him as an inspiration.
Oke, terima kasih banyak ya Bintang. Jadi nih dari teks Tulus ini, persamaannya dari teks yang Rina tadi itu apa sih kira-kira? Siapa yang tahu?
Saya mau jawab, Miss.
Boleh Marsha.
They both mention name, age, and hometown, Miss.
Excellent Marsha. And what's different? Siapa yang tahu perbedaannya apa sih?
Saya, Miss.
Oke, boleh.
Kalau Tulus itu is a real person and he tells about his career.
Okay, very good, Anissa. So, even famous people use the same text structure and simple present tense when they introduce themselves. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Let's move to our vocabulary. Please repeat after me. Jadi, kalian bisa ulangi sehabis Miss ya. Yang pertama adalah favorite.
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 Oke, yang kedua adalah younger.
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 Yang ketiga, hardworking.
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 Oke, tiga aja ya. Now, siapa nih yang bisa jelasin apa sih artinya friendly?
Saya, Miss.
Oke, boleh Diva.
It means being kind and nice to others.
Oke, excellent Diva. Let's continue with the rest. Communicate, different them, team, enjoy, and believe. Oke, now let's review our grammar focus. Yang pertama nih ada simple present tense. Look at this sentence. I live in Bogor. What pattern is this? I live in Bogor. Siapa yang tahu?
Subject plus verb 1, Miss.
Oke, baik. Pinter banget, Anissa. Nah, that is positive form. Now, the negative form. She doesn't like math. What do we add? Siapa yang tahu?
Saya, Miss.
Boleh, Bintang.
Jawabannya do or does plus not.
Excellent, Bintang. And for question, do you live in Bogor? We start with do or does. Great understanding, everyone. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Let's review some useful expression for introducing ourselves. How do we greet someone? Siapa yang tahu?
Good morning or hello everyone.
Oke, kalau how do we ask someone name?
What's your name, Miss?
Oke, kalau how do we respond politely?
Nice to meet you, Miss.
Okay, and how do we close our introduction?
Thank you for listening about me, Miss.
Okay, perfect. You are ready for the next challenge. Nah, di sini ada dua percakapan ya antara Andi dan Sinta. Jadi Miss mau kalian berpasangan dua orang aja untuk membacakan dialog Andi dan Sinta. Siapa yang mau jadi Andi, siapa yang mau jadi Sinta?
Saya mau jadi Andi, Miss.
Oh, Miss.
Oke, boleh. Marsha dan Mutia. Boleh. Dialog dari sekarang.
Okay. Good morning. My name is Andi. What's your name?
Good morning. My name is Sinta.
Nice to meet you, Sinta.
Nice to meet you too, Andy.
Where do you live?
I live in Bogor. How about you?
I live in Cianjur.
What are your hobbies?
I like playing football. What about you?
I like reading books.
Oke, terima kasih ya Marsha dan Mutia. Nice pronunciation and good pace. Let's give them ayo kita kasih tepuk tangan dulu ya buat mereka karena mereka udah berani untuk percakapan. Oke, kita lanjut ke slide selanjutnya. Nah, di sini itu kalian bisa berpasangan lagi, tapi ini dialognya Miss punya punya dialognya sendiri. Miss udah kasih juga ke kalian. Boleh dilihat. Nah, ada dua orang juga. Siapa yang mau jadi Dimas dan siapa yang mau jadi Elsa?
Saya mau jadi Elsa, Miss.
Boleh, Diva. Siapa yang mau jadi Dimas?
Saya Dimas, Miss.
Boleh, boleh, boleh. Oke, let's go.
Good morning. My name is Dimas. What's your name?
Good morning, my name is Elsa.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where do you live?
I live in Bogor. How about you?
I live in Cianjur.
What's your hobby?
I like watching anime. What about you?
I like collecting antique.
Oke, thank you ya Anissa dan Diva. You follow the same pattern as Andi and Sinti, but made it your own. Great pronunciation and confidence. Oke, boleh tepuk tangannya lagi nih buat Anissa dan Diva teman-teman. Oke, let's go to the next slide. Now, the final and biggest challenge, the boss level. Introduction relay. Every one of you will introduce yourself, your name, age, school, family, hobby, and dream. Before the 60-second times runs out. Are you ready?
Ready, Miss?
Ready,
Ready,
Miss.
Miss.
Okay, let's start with siapa nih yang mau jadi pertama?
Saya, Miss.
Boleh Bintang.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Bintang. I am 16 years old, and I'm student at Pakuan Senior High School. I live with my parents and my older sister. My hobby is playing volleyball, and my dream is to become a professional athlete. Thank you for listening about me.
Oke, thank you Bintang. Amazing job. Kita beri tepuk tangan dulu untuk Bintang. Oke, selanjutnya siapa nih yang mau perkenalan diri?
Saya, Miss.
Boleh Mutia.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mutia. I'm 16 years old. I study at Pakuan Senior High School. I live with my parents and my younger brother. I like playing online games, and my dream is to become a professional gamer. Thank you.
Oke, keren banget Mutia. Terima kasih ya. Coba kasih tepuk tangannya lagi dong yang meriah buat Mutia. Oke, let's go. Siapa yang mau selanjutnya?
Saya, Miss.
Boleh, Marsha.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Marsha. I am 16 years old. I am student at Pakuan Senior High School. I live with my parents and my twin sister. My hobby is K-pop dance, and my dream is to become a professional dancer. Thank you for your listening.
Keren banget Marsha mau jadi profesional. Apa nih tadi? Profesional dancer. Oke, let's go. Siapa lagi nih yang mau?
Saya, Miss.
Boleh, Anissa.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anissa. I'm 16 years old. I study at Pakuan Senior High School. I live with my parents and my younger sister. I enjoy watching anime, and my dream is become an animator. Thank you.
Wah, keren banget Anissa. Boleh tepuk tangannya dulu dong. Oke, yang terakhir nih, siapa yang mau perkenalan lagi?
Saya Miss.
Boleh, Diva. Silakan.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. My name is Diva. I am 16 years old. I am student at Pakuan Senior High School. I live with my parents and my little brother. My hobby is collecting antiques, and my dream is to become a museum curator. Thank you for listening about me.
Oke, thank you Diva. Semuanya benar-benar keren banget, bisa memperkenalkan diri dengan baik, menyebutkan nama, umur, sekolah, eh, family, hobby, and dreams. Terima kasih ya semuanya. Oke, kita lanjut ke slide berikutnya. Slide berikutnya adalah let's recap what we have learned today. What is the structure of a self-introduction? Ada yang tahu?
Saya, Miss.
Boleh Bintang.
Uh, Structure of a self-introduction itu ada identity, background, interest, and dream.
Oke, keren banget Bintang. Ada sekarang saya mau tanya nih, and what grammar did we focus on? Siapa yang tahu?
Saya, Miss.
Boleh, Marsha.
Uh, Grammar did of we focus on itu ada di simple present tense, Miss.
Wah, benar banget Marsha. Jadi, eh apa namanya, grammar itu fokusnya di simple present tense. Oke. Nah, before we end today lesson, how do you feel about introducing yourself in English now?
I feel confident, Miss.
Wow, that's wonderful to hear. Oke, semuanya terima kasih udah join hari ini. Semoga apa yang kita pelajari hari ini bisa kalian apa bisa kalian ikuti terus ya di kehidupan kalian sehari-hari. Oke, sampai jumpa di lain waktu. Selalu semangat ya teman-teman semuanya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Thank you,
Thank
Miss.
you, Miss.